Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. It is early, it is 6:30 in the morning and I'm getting ready to go garage sailing, and I thought I would turn the camera on and do a get ready with me. I'm gonna do my hair first. I'm just gonna go in with some dry shampoo, and then I have this leave-in conditioner. I thought I would use a little bit of that too. Oh, what's going on? This smells good. It's the Detox Dry Shampoo from Dry Bar. I will link everything that I am using in this video down in the description bar. So if you guys want to try anything, all the links will be down below. It says that you can spray it on your hand or in your hair. We're gonna try it. Oh, this is not what I thought it was going to be. Cream. I thought it was gonna be like a powder. Okay, let's start on the face. Do you guys see that? Last night, I went live on TikTok. I have 2 TikTok accounts. Oh, that was really hard to say. I have 2 TikTok accounts. One for my beauty videos, and then I have one for my dogs. Well, I went live on the dog account, and Luna, which is one of the puppies, I was bending down to pick something up and she jumped up and got me right in the eye, and it hurt bad. I don't know the last time I felt a pain like that. It was horrible. I started getting a headache last night, so I had to take some medicine, and there's a little bruise this morning, which doesn't surprise me, and it still hurts. Luna is fine, like nothing ever happened. I guess it's better me than her. Since it is so early in the morning and I'm just going to some garage sales, I'm not gonna do a ton of makeup. I'm gonna first go in with my favorite thing, which I'm out of. This is the e.l.f. Camel Color Correctors. I like the orange one and the yellow one. They're amazing. Look at that. Do you remember the before? Look at that now. So awesome. It doesn't feel like you're wearing any makeup whatsoever. It's lightweight, so it doesn't settle into any fine lines. I just love this product so much. I also have the green one, which is good for redness, so I like to put a little bit around my nose and on any acne spots or red spots that I have. I'm gonna go in with the Mario foundation. I forgot, I'm almost out of this too. I'm out of everything, you guys. I need to go shopping. Now that I look very, very, very light, I'm gonna go in with some bronzer. I usually would go in with a concealer at this point, but I've been changing it up a little bit. This is the Tarte bronzer, and I think I'm out of it too. I told you guys I'm out of everything. That bronzer is gone, so I'm gonna go in with the Flower Beauty one instead. I like both of them. For some reason, okay mother, for some reason grab the Tarte one more, but I like them both the same. I think this one dries a little fast, maybe that's why. We'll have to wait and see. Don't mind that right there, I don't know what the heck happened. It did not dry down as fast as I thought it did, so I don't know what I was thinking. I'm gonna go in with this Glossier Cloud Paint in the shade Dusk. My camera turned off on me. Ooh. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh. I need a smaller brush. Do I have one? But this sure does look pretty. I like to bring my blush right over the nose. I think it's better if I put a little dot on a paper towel and then just tap my brush in. I think I like that a little bit better. Oh yeah, it doesn't pick up as much product. I'm liking it. I always go on my chin and my forehead, and then we're gonna put a little bit on the tip of the nose to make it look like we were out in the sun, but we really weren't. Okay, we're gonna go in with my favorite concealer at the time. This is the NARS Radiant. Why do I always say Radiant? Oh, it is Radiant Creamy Concealer. That's why you say it, Billy. Once I am done with my cream bronzer and blush, then I will go in with my concealer. I find that this works and looks so much better than doing it the other way. Oogly doogly. Do you see how it's looking? Let's turn this ring light down a little bit. Maybe that's better. Hopefully. I'm going to set my under eyes. I'm just using the Huda powder. I went in with the smallest amount of powder. I just wanted to set them. I don't want them to look too dry or dry at all. I'm gonna go in with the It's Cosmetics Bye Bye Pore Pressed Powder, and we're going to set the rest of our face. Again, I push my powders into my skin instead of going into a circular motion. I feel like it moves the cream products around, and I don't want to do that. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of Physicians Formula powdered bronzer to just put a little bit on top. I might, if I find anything good or if I get a lot of stuff, I will film a video on what I got at a garage sale. I don't think I've ever seen a TikTok or a YouTube video of what people got at a garage sale. I'm sure there is videos out there, but I've just personally never seen one. But I think it'd be fun. My mom texted me asking if I was up, and my daughter just texted me saying that she's ready. Everyone's ready but me. Next, I'm gonna go in with this Profusion Mean Girls collection. I do like the blush in here. It's in the shade Good Friend. I'm going to pick up the smallest amount and just tap that very lightly over the top. Again, on the chin, and I do a little bit on my forehead, and don't forget the tip of your nose. While I have this, I think I'm gonna go in with this highlighter from the palette. It's in the shade Secrets, and I'm just going to tap a little bit of that on my face. I don't see a lot of people talking about highlighters anymore. Are highlighters out? Is it not a thing? Because I still use them. I still like them. I think what I'm gonna do, since I'm not going in with a lot of eye product, I'm gonna just put some of this highlighter in the brow. I'm gonna put some of this highlighter in the brow area. What do you call that? You know what I'm talking about, you've seen it. Okay, we're gonna keep this look very simple. I'm gonna go back in with that powdered bronzer, the Physicians Formula. I'm gonna pick some of that up, and we're gonna put that in our crease. Not a lot, but it looks nice. I have a hair on my face. I'm gonna go do my eyebrows and then I'll be right back. My eyebrows are done and I put some mascara on. I am gonna go in with my Jaclyn Cosmetics setting spray. Did anyone else watch Jaclyn's new YouTube video of her closing her brand? I knew by the title that it wasn't her cosmetic brand, that I knew it was going to be the other one, but I was surprised that there was two of them. I guess it said I'm closing my brands. It's sad to think that she might close her cosmetic line too. That wouldn't be good. I'm gonna go in with my Clarins Paris. I love this color. I love the product. I'm gonna put a little bit on my lips and we're done. This is the final look. Ooh, I think I'm just gonna keep my hair like this. An everyday makeup look. Thank you guys for hanging out with me this morning. I hope everyone has an amazing, amazing day. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.